Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen, joined by Sofia Rodriguez. Today, we're diving deep into Micro Product Factory, build and automate bite-sized AI products for nomads, and how it can transform your life as a digital nomad. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and reclaim your time through AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Quick hook. By the end of this episode, you'll have a weekend launch blueprint to package repeatable services into micro products, prompt packs, tiny automations, and fast deliverable generators you can sell with low-touch fulfillment. Imagine turning a 2-hour client task into a $50 product that ships automatically. This changes everything for nomads.
Curious. That promise is real. But first, the pain. Tool overwhelm, unclear ROI, and the missing productization step are what stop most nomads. They can create one-off work fast, but they can't reliably repeat it at scale without burning out.
Exactly. I talk to freelancers who have stacks of templates and great processes, but every new client means manual steps, bespoke emails, and delivery churn. The result? Income tied to hours, fragile schedules, and constant context switching. Our goal, convert those repeatable steps into a product that sells while you sleep.
And we need to be honest about limits. Micro products are not a magic elevator to infinite scale. They work best when you pick a narrow niche, set clear acceptance criteria, and keep a human in the loop for early orders. That keeps quality high and ethical risk low.
Let's define the product set. When we say micro products, we mean 3 main things. Prompt packs, curated prompts and templates buyers can run themselves. Tiny automations, short workflows that turn an input into a formatted deliverable. And deliverable generators, a single prompt or endpoint that produces a client-ready asset in under 10 minutes.
Business models range from one-off purchases and subscription update feeds to pay-per-deliverable APIs. Ethically, you should disclose AI use, include provenance notes, and offer a clear refund or human review path for disputed outputs. Those guardrails protect reputation and compliance.
Okay, tool stack. Here's the exact prompt/stack I recommend for a nomad-friendly micro-product factory. Use a chat LLM for creative drafting and edge cases, a deterministic completion model or prompt templates for repeatable outputs, a lightweight database for inputs and orders, and a no-code automation layer to connect checkout to generation and delivery. Compare options. OpenAI GPT and Anthropic Claude for flexible conversational outputs, local Llama 2 or hosted cheaper models for high-volume predictable tasks.
Vector DBs make sense when you're personalizing outputs from a knowledge store. But for many microproducts, a well-crafted prompt template plus a few context snippets is faster and cheaper. For automation glue, Zapier or Make are fast to prototype. Native API automations are better for scale and cost predictability. Payment and fulfillment, Stripe or Paddle for an API-first checkout, Gumroad for fastest setup.
I'd add pick tools that match your tolerance for maintenance. If you travel a lot, choose hosted services with stable UIs. If you want lower fees and higher control, plan for an afternoon to wire serverless functions or a small VPS. Start small, but think about upgrade paths.
Now for a concrete prompt you can use as a 10-minute deliverable generator. Use this as a starting template. Tweak niche and tone. You are an expert copywriter for e-commerce landing pages. Input, product name, 3 features, target audience, brand voice. Output, a 300-word landing hero, a 2-line value proposition, and 3 micro benefits in bullet points. Keep language clear, benefit-driven, and include 1 social proof line. If any input is missing, ask 1 clarifying question. Return JSON with keys, hero, value prop, bullets, social proof. That prompt structure gives predictable, testable outputs you can validate automatically.
Curious. I love that. Add a short QA prompt step. Check this output for factual claims and hallucinations. If any claim can't be validated, flag for human review. That keeps the automation honest and prevents overclaiming.
Step-by-step implementation. The weekend checklist. 1. Validate niche with 5 quick customer interviews or a landing page pre-sell. 2. Craft 3 core prompts. Generator, QA checker, onboarding message. 3. Wire automation. Checkout, form, LLM generator, QA gate.
Implementation tips. Keep your first micro product single purpose. price it to buy time back, not to beat market leaders, and run a 10% human spot check for the first 50 orders. Document an acceptance checklist, correct formatting, no hallucinated data, tone match, and any legal red flags. These small steps stop quality drift before it becomes a reputation problem.
Real Nomad results. Quick before-after case snapshots. Case 1. Sarah, a UX auditor. Before, 2-hour manual audits billed at $120 per hour for small clients. After packaging a 30-minute audit template and automation, sold as a $49 micro product. She cut delivery time to 30 minutes and increased revenue per hour from $120 to a calculated $600 when accounting for automated volume. Case 2. Jamal, a content repurposer. Before, full-day bespoke repurposing gigs. After, a $79 repack product with a deliverable generator and set cadence. He doubled orders and cut his weekly hours in half while increasing net income.
Those wins are real, but watch the pitfalls. Quality drift when you stop updating prompts, over-automation that removes necessary context, pricing mistakes that undercut perceived value, and ethical risks from unchecked outputs. The mitigations? Lightweight QA gates, acceptance tests, tiered offers with human review options, and clear provenance notes in every deliverable.
Final practical takeaway. Pick one micro product, build 3 prompts, generate, QA, onboarding, wire a checkout and 1 automation path, and run a tiny paid pilot. Track hours saved and revenue per hour as your KPI. And remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
If you want the exact checklist, sample prompts, and a 2-week QA plan, head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools and grab our micro product blueprint and 2 ready-to-use prompt templates. Let's make this actually work for you. Start small, validate fast, and keep the human review where it matters.
That's our complete breakdown of Micro Product Factory. Build and automate bite-sized AI products for nomads. Remember, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Head to nomadlifesuccess.com/AI tools to access our full AI toolkit, including Dream Guide AI and LifePath AI. While you're there, check out our online courses and audio courses. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next episode.